Hello guys, welcome. Today I'm going to be taking you on an intro to the DevTools in your browser. So you're going to learn how to inspect elements on a web page and how to manipulate them as well. So to go to the DevTools, to open the DevTools, you click this three dots icon here and scroll down to more tools and select developer tools, or you can close this and then just hit Ctrl Shift I on your keyboard and you should see the DevTools open in your browser right there. So if you hover on a specific HTML element that you want to focus on, you will notice that it's been highlighted in the page right here. It's going to be highlighted here. So if you focus on this page, you see that it's being highlighted here, and here you can see everything about this element. You can see the stylings being applied, you can see the HTML elements, children, every other every other element inside it, and you can also target this with JavaScript right here in the console. So if I wanted to target it with JavaScript, I'll use this symbol here, $0. So let's check it out. If I put $0 here, and you should see that it is the same HTML element that we get. So this is one of the few wonderful things about the Chrome DevTools or the Firefox DevTools, but I am using Chrome, so I'll call it the Chrome DevTools. With this, you can do many things with the DevTool. As I said earlier, you can inspect the styling, you can manipulate it, you can change the styling as you wish. That is manipulating. So here now, as you can see, this is a CSS row setting the width of this container to 0. If I toggle this now, or maybe I set it to 20%, you should see a change in the browser. Oh wow, that didn't change. Okay, so maybe I should make the background blue instead. So the only reason why that didn't change, maybe there's another backup line of CSS that is being replaced with this one, like this one here now, that is being replaced with it. So we couldn't make that style work. That happens if there are multiple of the same type of styles for a tag. So as you can see here now, I've been able to change the background of the page to black with this line of code right here, this one, and then you can also edit it as an HTML tag right here. All you have to do is, let's close this up, you can close this and then select edit as HTML, and you can maybe right after the opening tag here, I can put another p tag, p, and say hello world right here, and close. Hopefully that shows up in our page. And let me toggle this first, and you should see, okay, this is our hello world, the hello world we added here. Where is it? Okay, the hello world text we added here. As you can see, as I hover on it here, the element is being highlighted. That is one way to manipulate an element in HTML, by opening the DevTools and looking for it. You can also do this. You right click on your mouse or trackpad and select inspect, which will open a Chrome DevTools tab, and the element which you wanted to inspect will be the one in focus right here. So it will automatically help you scroll down to that element and then keep it in focus for you. So here I can say, if I want to manipulate this button now, I can say let me edit it as the HTML and then change that Google search text right there and maybe set it to hello world, not enter, my mistake. So if you change it to hello world, you come out here and click outside this dim box right here. So if you click outside the box, your changes should be reflecting in the page here. As you can see, the changes are reflecting. So after, if you have done this and you are scared that Google has been hacked by me, no, that's not correct. The files that are in your browser, any changes you make to them, they don't apply to the files on Google server. So any changes being made here are temporary. Oh wow. Look at this, our styling that we set the width to 20% actually worked. We just didn't notice it at that time, so it worked, as you can see here. So if I refresh the page now, if I refresh the page, you should see that everything will be back to normal. So any change you make on a web page in the Chrome DevTools is temporary, so it doesn't affect the original files on Google servers. So the things you can do with Chrome DevTools is that you can manipulate elements and you can inspect elements. So by inspecting, meaning that you want to know the specific, let's say you want to know the style applied to that element, or you want to know the children or the data it contains in your browser. You want to know how it looks in your browser. So you will be able to do that in the Chrome DevTools here. You can see the CSS styling and everything about the HTML tags right here. And then if you want to manipulate, you can go on and start changing values and make your changes, but your changes will not be permanent. So you can't hack Google with Chrome DevTools. I'm sorry. Alright, thank you guys, and see you guys next time.